Hello, this is teacher Jesse, and today I'll be discussing to you the divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10. Let's start with the divisibility test. Can you divide the following as fast as you can? Start. 129 divided by 3. Answer is 43. How can you do it fast? First, we are going to divide this 12 by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Therefore, the answer is 43. Second one. Okay, 50. 82, 61, 74. Good. Can you tell by just looking at a number if it is divisible by 2, 5, and by 10? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Yeah, are you ready to reveal the answers? Okay. These are 76, 112, 700, 544, and 578. How did you do it? Why can you say that a number is divisible by 2? All even numbers are divisible by 2. Let's take a look at this example. 76 is an even number because it ends with 6. 112 it ends with 2. Again, the ones digit is 0. This one is 4. And this one is 8. Therefore, if a number has 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in its ones digit, it is an even number and therefore it is divisible by 2. How about by 5? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? Take a peek. Okay, I hope you got the correct answer. We have 515, 85, 910, 700, 95, and 570. Did you get the correct answers? So, when is a number divisible by 5? Numbers ending in 0 or 5 are divisible by 5. Very easy to remember that. Since it ends with 5, this one ends with 5, this is 0, this is 0, it's 5, and this is 0. Therefore, they are divisible by 5. How about by 10? Which of the following numbers are divisible by 10? Take a pick. Okay, I guess you got the correct answer. We have 910, 700, and 570. So when is a number divisible by 10? Right? It is when numbers are ending in 0, they are divisible by 10. Very easy to remember. So, looking back at the examples, we have 910, 700, and 570 ends with 0. Therefore, they are divisible by 10. Let's play a game. What you're going to do is, if a number is divisible by 2, you are going to say, wow. If it is divisible by 5, you say, high five. If the number is divisible by 10, it is amazing. Wow, high five, and amazing. Okay, remember these three answers. Are you ready? Let's start. Wow. High five. Wow. Wow. High five. Amazing. Wow. High five and amazing. Wow. High five. Wow. High five. High five. Wow. High five. Amazing. Wow. High five and amazing. Wow. 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 High five and amazing. That's great. Okay, this time, You're going to choose the letter of the correct answer. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? Start. Okay, let's check. For number 1, we have letter B, which is 24. For number 2, we have A, 40. For number 3, we have letter C, 14. And for number 4, letter D, 78. Did you get 4 correct answers? Good. Let's proceed to the next one. Which of the following are divisible by 5? Okay, let's check. Number 1, obviously it's letter C, 55. Number 2 is 45, letter C. Number 3 is 20, letter B. And number 4 is letter C, 55. Let's have another example. Which of the following is divisible by 10? Okay, are you ready? Okay, we have number 1 is 60, of course. Answer 0. Number 2 is letter B, 50. Number 3 is letter B, 30. And number 4 is letter A, 60. When is a number divisible by 2? When is a number divisible by 5? And when is a number is divisible by 10? Okay, again, a number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number. If it ends, its ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. It's divisible by 5 if it ends with 0 or 5. And it's divisible by 10 if it ends with 0. Okay. Let's take a look at this example, at these logic questions. Are all numbers divisible by 2 also divisible by 5? Yes or no? Okay. So not all numbers divisible by 2 are divisible by 5. Like for example, 18. 18 is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 5. But there are some numbers like 10, 20, we have 30, 40. Those numbers which end with 0 are divisible by 5 and divisible by 2 also. Let's have another example or another question rather. Are all numbers divisible by 10? Okay, all numbers divisible by 10, divisible also by 5. Because if it ends with 0, it is divisible by 5. Let's have the next logic question. Are all numbers divisible by 5 divisible also by 10? So this time it is in the reverse order. Okay, not all numbers divisible by 5 divisible also by 10. Like for example, 25. 25 is divisible by 5 but not divisible by 10. 30 is divisible by 5 and divisible also by 10. Are all numbers divisible by 10 also divisible by 2? Okay, correct. Because if it ends with 0, it is divisible by 10. And if it ends with 0, it is divisible by 2. So all numbers divisible by 10 are even numbers. Therefore, they are divisible by 2. How about this one? Give the highest 6-digit number divisible by 2, 5, and 10. Think about it. Okay, I hope that you got the correct answer. It is 99999 How did you get it? Obviously, since there are 6 digits, then we are going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits, and we are going to write 9 on the first digits, and on the ones digit, we are going to choose a number which will satisfy the condition divisible by 2, 5, and 10, and that number is 0. Therefore, the highest 6-digit number divisible by 2, 5, and 10 is 999,990. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you have learned something. Thank you very much.